What's up guys, welcome back to Wrap Lab. We got a full wrap this week. We got this Ford Bronco, and if you go back a few videos, we did that Polaris, that like side-by-side thing in that camo wrap. So that was a satin one. It's the exact same color except it's gonna go matte. So first we're gonna wash it. After we wash it, we're gonna disassemble it. I know that these are gonna come off. We're gonna take off the mirrors, take off the door handles. We haven't decided if we're gonna take off the roofs yet. We're also gonna take off the fender flares and then the light bar up here. I don't know if I mentioned that already. But yeah. First things first, we're gonna wash it, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so we disassembled a little bit more than I previously mentioned. We took the front bar off so we could get the front bumper off. And then if you come around, like I said, these are off, mirrors are off. We did take the like the seal off here so we can tuck a little bit better. And then we took the whole top off. And we did disassemble the tailgate as well. So new day, we let it sit overnight because it was very wet. But now we're gonna start wrapping it. So we're trying to figure out how to do that because, like I said, it's a camo wrap. And sometimes we can like make our own camo with knifeless tape and multiple pieces, but this is a printed camo, just like on that Polaris video. So if you watch that video, you'll see we did it all in one piece. So we want to do this all in one piece so that camo flows between each panel. But since we took the door handles out, the doors don't close fully. So that's kind of where we're at right now. We're trying to figure out how, like the best way to do this in one piece. Okay, so we got the hood done. I think what we decided on is we're gonna do the fender and the door in one piece, since this being open isn't really gonna affect this cut. And then we're gonna do this back door and this QP, this quarter panel in one piece, and just try and line it up here as best as we can, since it's a, like, I don't think we're gonna see that breakup too bad. So yeah, and it's got knifeless here and here, which will just make it a nicer cut. A little safer than cutting on the paint too. So stay tuned. All right, guys. Just a little update here. We got this side completely done. We got the hood done, so we still have to do this little bumper piece. This fender and this door are done. We're gonna do these two next, and then we're gonna do the rear tailgate, whatever that thing is called, and then we just have these, the pillars and this top part, and this car will be done. Okay guys, so everything that has to be wrapped is wrapped. We're just gonna put it back together now. If you see us redoing the hood, it's because Danny nicked it a little bit. So putting on these mirrors. But besides that, everything is wrapped. So we're gonna put it back together now.
This will get rewrapped.
Yes, by Danny, because he
correct.
did it. Yeah.
Correct.
Next we're gonna ceramic coat it. So before we do that, we're gonna wipe it with Car Pro Eraser. Sometimes we use alcohol, either one works, but I like using this because it smells better. After we wipe it all down, then we'll ceramic coat it. The only thing we haven't put on is the rear wheel yet, because we want a ceramic coat behind it. And we'll put that on, and the car will be done. So stay tuned. Alright guys, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what you guys want to see more of. We do have some how-tos coming, so stay tuned for those.